Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a great day. If you're new to the channel, my name's Jeff. I live in Utah. This channel is all about cars. And this is my 1989 C4 Corvette. So it's somewhat of a nice winter day here in Utah, so I thought I'd get the C4 out and bring it down here by the lake near my house and film a quick video for you guys. Hopefully you enjoy the scenery throughout the video. I apologize that the C4 content has been coming out slowly. The winter months make it hard to do videos on the car, but I promise there's much more to come on this car. So the purpose of today's video, guys, is for me to share with you how much I paid for this 1989 C4 Corvette, which I have owned for just about 4 months now. And I bought it locally here in Utah. And the guy who was selling it was asking $7,000. And when I called him to schedule a time to go look at the car, he told me that the car had a lot of work that was recently done to it, and it has a lot of nice mods, and that he was firm at $7,000. So I went to look at it, and surprise, surprise, it was not in as good of shape as he had described, which is usually the case when you're looking at used cars. But it didn't need anything major, just a few things here and there. I went through the car and made a list of what it needed, and I presented it to him and just said that I didn't feel like I should pay $7,000, and I asked him to come down a little bit, and he agreed to do that, but just a little bit. So he came down $200, and I ended up paying $6,800 cash for this car. Despite the fact that the car needed a few things, it was in really good shape. It was a low mileage car, really straight body, nice paint. Interior was really clean, no rips or tears in the seats, no cracks in the dash, and overall just a really good car. Many of you are familiar with this car. If you've watched my other videos, you've seen what it needs and what mods have been done to it. For those of you who aren't familiar with this car and haven't seen my other videos, I'm going to link a video in the corner right here for you guys, and it is a video that I made right after I bought this car. And in the video I show you just details about the car. I go through what it needs, and I show all of the mods that have been done to it. I highly recommend checking it out. So I feel like I got a good deal, guys. I'm interested to know what you think. Let me know in the comments below. Again, I paid $6,800 cash for this good condition C4 Corvette. Let me know if you think I got a good deal, or if you think I overpaid, or if you think the price point was just about right. And that's gonna do it for this short video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future videos on this car. Please check out my previous C4 videos if you haven't yet. Hopefully you enjoy them. And take care, guys. I'll see you in the next one.